Okay, so you got hold of another coach's premium package or course pricing, and you resolve to raise your prices to attract high-end clients. Cue the mad rush of discovery appointments and crickets. Wait, how come clients aren't ringing off my phone trying to get me to help them? You stop, you tweak your packages a little more and a dozen more times, and your revenue is still inconsistent. Here's the truth. Your pricing is not just a strategy problem. More often than not, that's an alignment problem. And when that new pricing strategy does not yield the expectations that you built up for yourself, you get more frustrated, more anxious, and before you know it, you are charging even less than before with bargain basement pricing that keeps you trapped in survival mode. Clients usually find me right when they're in this desperation discount phase, and they're looking for a strategy, any strategy that will pull them out of the slump. A little digging reveals that they're not clear on the value they provide or what aspects of their service impacted their clients the most. And when your prices don't reflect who you are, what you're great at, and the life you want to build, no strategy in the world is going to hold up. It's like trying to build a house on the sand. Nice structure, shaky foundation. And most solopreneurs jump into strategy because that's what feels most urgent. How much should I charge? What's the best way to package this? How do I get to the next level? And those are all valid questions. But if you're asking them before you've done the inner work of alignment, your answers are only going to take you round in circles. You're going to price based on fear. Will anybody pay this? Comparison, or what are they charging? Or desperation. I need cash right now, right now. And that's how you end up undercharging, over delivering, and quietly resenting the clients you promised to serve. Alignment is about more than just knowing your worth. It's about building a business that fits you. That means asking questions like, what work actually energizes me and what's draining me? What kind of clients feel like a great fit instead of a battle in every session? How do I want my business to support my life and not consume it? And when you start with alignment, you set numbers that honor your time, your talent, and your boundaries. So I want you to take a hard look at that last discount you offered. What was that client relationship like? Do you want that kind of relationship again? If not, was the issue the strategy you used or that you weren't fully aligned with what you offered in the first place? The best way to start realignment is by understanding how you're wired, the gifts that drive you, the patterns that keep tripping you up, and the strengths you can lean into. Take the Bestie Finder My Gifts Idea assessment today, and get to know the version of you that's really supposed to be leading your business. Remember, boundaries ain't betrayal, and busy ain't the same as being in business. Alignment starts with you. Build from who you really are and not who you think you should be. I'll see you in the next